Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video you'll be watching me run an LED light connection. So right now I'm trying to make the switch box. I think this wasn't the hardest part. This was quite easy because that part of our wall was very soft. I was surprised, trust me, because we're looking at an over 20-year-old building, and normally this wall frustrates the fuck out of me because you go striking and it's like it won't budge. The nail don't move, it stays stuck. But this one, I was just so happy. It just went through. I was surprised, but I was very happy. So right now, I'm twisting up the wires. These are the easy stuff. Pretty easy stuff. I was thinking of making this video a full-on tutorial, but I believe the visual work should do the teaching. Right now I'm screwing. Oh, that's the socket. That's true. She wanted the socket as well. She wanted the socket and then a connection for the LED light. So alright, now over to the switch. I think I'm using a Neko switch. Is that a Neko switch? I think so. I mean, from here it looks like it. Oh, it should be. It had this shiny finish to it, so it's definitely Neko. There is the plastic kind, but those ones don't hold for long. I used it first time. I know what they are like, so I went for Neko this time. And here I am twisting them wires, twist them. Wraps them up. And since it's the switch, we only need the red wire, like the live wire. I believe there was a time I was very curious how the switch mechanism works. But how did I fit that curiosity? Oh, YouTube. YouTube is such a fucking blessing. Yeah, at least for me it has been. Phew. How would I have mastered these skills? I'd probably have roasted my hands before I get to this level. Yeah, now up to the mini circuit box. I think that's what I like to call them, because that's where all the wires that come into their meet. That's where they have their meeting, their joining point, whatever you want to call it. Now this guy, I wasn't really familiar with how to pry it off. I think I knew, but at the same time I felt this one had a different mechanism, but turns out it was the same. You just have to rotate and uncover it just like a bottle. And the thing is, I find it difficult to understand why they had to use that kind of mechanism. I actually find they wanted to stay, but that position is not somewhere people frequent. They could have used I don't know how to describe this capping mechanism. Something like I don't know how to describe it, but the point is, you know, those kind of lid system, but you just press something in and it sticks. Like there's this I think how they achieve that, there's this difference in diameter. I don't know, I can't even explain it in words, but I hope you get what I mean. Those kind of, okay, you know what, I should think of an instance, something that has such mechanism. What could that be? Nothing is coming to mind. Oh yeah, I remember. You know all those plastic containers, the ones that have a foldable lid. Not exactly foldable. You want to flip open, flip close, flip open. No, you close it and you hear that pat sound that just locks it in place. And you have to pull it up. That kind of mechanism, but in a circular form, because it's circular. It would work too. Well, now I'm done with that part. That part was the scariest. In truth, it was. Oh, Crystal, I can't imagine what. Actually, I can imagine what would happen if I make a mistake. It's gonna be kaboom. It's gonna go kaboom, just like that. All right. I think we're almost done here. Just have to twist on the right wires, and we are done. Call it a fini. Alright, right now to see if our socket works. There, voila, she works just fine. Now let me just screw this cap back in place, and next step is to clip the wires onto the wall. It's not a difficult step, like it's not. Oh, that's true. There are some problems associated with this particular task. Majorly as a result of the hardness of this wall. The concrete nails of these days are not designed for these walls. Like, we need to go back in time, get your nails. This shit frustrates. Because I know how many clips I've lost to the wall. They'll hammering that shit in and it doesn't go. In fact, the worst that happens, okay, that's not the worst that happens, but most times the nails just bend, holding on themselves, and then you've lost the clip, just like that. Other times, your clip will split. Yes, it's tired of all that hitting, it's gonna split. Well, but it looks like these ones have been cooperating so far. Good. Very good. How many more left? How many more left? Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Wait, why did the screen go blow? Oh, I get it. Oh, yes. This, my favorite part. Lining the LED lights. This just feels aesthetically pleasant. Sometimes I like to do some kind of art with it. Nothing serious though. Although I didn't do anything like that here, she didn't have enough to spare. Because when we did the full run around the room, there wasn't any left. I'm not even sure. Okay, he made the circle. Yeah, he made the circle, but not by much. Okay, that's me twisting up the wires again. I sure do a lot of twisting in here. usually don't like to climb ladders because, oh my God, what if I fall? What's gonna happen then? I sure as hell won't get up. Like, honestly, I ain't getting back up, at least not without a car. I'm very careful, sure. I can't take that chance. Christ, I'm big. If I should fall, it's gonna be a catastrophe. Christ, I feel I break something even. All right, this guy's all wrapped up. Clip him and clip him down. There were a few times I somehow managed to strike my finger. Oh my God, I felt it in my skull. And you know why? I think why you hot osmosis, like I said, the wall is super hard. So if I want to get anything through, I have to strike as hard as I possibly can. Imagine all that force, tantos esfuerza, going on your finger. Oh, Cristo. Grab me nuts. Alright. Oh, we're done with the switch work. Look there. She works. Alright. Now line up the room. Like I said, this finna be my favorite part. This is how we do it. Yeah, watch me do it. This is how I do it. Let's go to the beach, eat, let's go to a. They say what they're gonna say. Have a drink, found the bud like that, but just like me, it's had to come back the Patron. Oh yeah, I like Nikki. I'ma blow all my money on. Get on the floor, cause I like to dance it. Oh, okay. I was gonna show you the part where it made the circle, but there was no extras. Yeah, that right there. If there were about, let me see, a yard more lino lead. I mean, I've been able to do some designs, like something similar to what I have in my room. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know what you think about this video in the comment section. Ciao.